Good morning. Rhino here from Driftwood Motoring. Here to talk about our 2003 GMC Yukon Denali and why I would rather put another $4,000 or $5,000 into this thing before making a car payment on a new car. And we've been looking at some vehicles lately, and they're nice. But the technology in them, to me, is not designed for longevity. There's planned obsolescence. Um, just not designed for longevity anymore. There's no post-production engineering. People buy a new car hoping to stay out of the repair shop and for peace of mind. And buying a new car almost guarantees that you're going to spend your time in the repair shop, getting product updates, software updates, whatever, recalls. And just about everyone has them. No one's immune to them anymore. Yeah. Whereas this, I look at new cars and, or even used, we're looking at used Forerunners, used Highlanders, great vehicles, hold their value well. I keep coming back to this thing. I paid $8,000 for it, and I've maybe got a few grand into it as well. But it does more than most vehicles will do. Yes, the fuel mile economy is awful. It's terrible. I got a 6-liter all-wheel drive, but I don't drive it a ton. But it is one of the most comfortable vehicles I have ever driven. My son feels the same way. My wife loves it, as long as she's not driving, of course. Also, not super worried about doing any damage on the outside. I like to keep it clean, but it's not perfect. But, it's our family adventure wagon, too. What have I got in here? I've got a paddleboard, lawn chairs, kids kayak, about 77 different life jackets for some reason. I'm not so sure why on that one. I've got my tools in here. There's a drone, 6 different sweaters, and, a bunch of my kids' artwork because he just leaves stuff around. We just leave it packed up and we're ready to go for just about any adventure. Sun's out, want to go for a paddle? No problem. Bikes, carry them, no problem. Want to bring a friend? Yes. Can we bring some gear? Yes. Everything fits, not a problem. Not worried about scratching it up, People are worried about fuel economy, and my car gets 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. That's awesome. You're forgetting your $800 a month car payment. That is a lot of fuel. I, for one, am happy to pay a little bit more at the pump for actually a reliable vehicle. Yes, it's 23 years old, but it is more reliable than most new vehicles today. Parts, incredibly cheap. Labor to do the repair on it, also not a big deal. It was designed to be worked on. It wasn't difficult, So before you run out and spend $44,000 on a 9-year-old Forerunner, which I was looking at, and it was lovely, don't get me wrong, I would like it. Logically, it won't fit everything this thing does. Fuel economy is marginally better, but not huge difference. Not going to save a ton of money at the pump. Is it cool? Yeah, I like it. But would I spend another $4,000 on this thing before I even thought about doing that? Yeah, I think I would, honestly. Do you have a GMT 800? What do you think about it? How long have you had it? How long are you planning on keeping it? I think they're keepers. Let me know what you think down below. Again, Rhino from Driftwood Motoring. We'll see you soon.